Got the Panasonic corded home phone system, and its features are digital answering machine, talking caller ID, shared phone book up to 100 numbers, long battery life, 10 hours off, 7 hours on talk, two-way recording, intercom, headsets, handset, and base unit LCDs support 2 languages, English and Spanish, power backup operation, wall mountable. Here is the phone. Nice, easy to read, LED screen. You have your dials, intercom button, and this is the feature I like, call block. One touch dial, play stop for your recording, and volume up and volume down, fast forward and reverse. You get a nice handheld receiver. You get 4 AAA batteries that go to each handset. They come right on. Battery life is great. Very good for business, home, or office. You get the quick start guide, operating instructions manual, call block feature. You get the chargeable base with the plug, chargeable base with the plug. You get the phone jack, and you get the power cord I have already assembled. The rear of it, very, very nice value for your money. Makes a great gift and a great addition to your home office and business.
Please charge battery.